that belt was coming over me, telling him, just to let him know, I ain't scared of that.
Now it's
Pagkatapos nakuha ni Casimero ang IBF flyweight titles sa kanilang rematch sa pinakamadayang Thai boxer na si Amnat Ruin, kung saan tinapos ito ni Casimero sa round 4 sa laban na ginanap sa Beijing, China. Apat na buwan lang ang nakalipas mga tol, kailangang depensahan ito ni Cuadro Alas. Lumipad ang kampo ni Casimero sa United Kingdom upang harapin itong kanilang pinakamalakas na pambato. Ito ay ang undefeated at pinakamaangas na Briton, ang kanilang future world champion na si Charlie Edwards. Hindi ito madaling laban sa ating pambato na si Casimero mga tol, dahil maliban sa ito ay undefeated, mataas ang karanasan ni Edwards sa amateur at laging nananalo. At ito ay isang WBC International Flyweight Champion nang tinalo nito ang kababayan na si Luke Wilton sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision. Kaya sobra na lang ang tiwala nito na madali lang bawiin ang belt ni Casimero. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinasuko ni Casimero itong si Edwards sa harap ng mga kababayan nito. Guys, dito sa 1xBet, habang na-enjoy mo ang panonood ng laban, pwede ka ring tumalpak. Madali lang mag-register gamit ang inyong pangalan, mobile number at password. May bonus ito hanggang 7,020 sa unang mong deposito. Gamitin mo lang ang promo code na ZAMBO24 na nasa description at sa comment section. 2 minutes lang, hawak mo na ang inyong panalo gamit ang GCash, Pimaya at Crypto. Sa pagbukas na unang round mga tol, umatake na kaagad itong si Casimero, ngunit talagang maganda din ang galawan nitong si Edwards at napakahirap patamaan.
Stalking Casimero, closing down the distance.
Looks settled into the fight. Oh, and then big right hand, nice right hand by Casimero. I totally agree with you, Dave. I do.
Dito sa round 2 mga tol, tumama ng mga solidong suntok ni Casimero, ngunit maganda din ang pinakita ng mga counters ni Edwards.
Maybe you can counter his counter.
Boxing exhibition's got to implement it.
You can counter over his shot. But he's struggling a lot around that jab. He's not making use of his hand. Yeah, which you would hope that early doors.
Dito sa round 3 mga tol, maganda ang mga pinakitang jabs ni Edwards, ngunit mapaatras ito pag tinamaan ni Casimero.
They're as good as what they are. They get in the ring and the read fights a little bit better. The punches behind that jab.
Dito sa round 4 mga tol, inatake na ni Casimero ang mukha at bodega ni Edwards na talagang bistadong nasaktan pag tinatamaan.
That's a breakthrough there for Casimero. There's a swagger, isn't there? There's a calm, methodical approach. 14 stoppages he has, and that's a body shot, which is going to slow
the legs. He's going to have to settle down and start to catch.
Tuloy pa rin ang pag-atake ni Casimero dito sa round 5 mga tol, habang si Edwards naman ay umiiwas at lumalaban sa distansya at ginamit ang kanyang tangkad.
right hand again, better though from Charlie Edwards, doubling up the jab. Still he's dangerous.
Dito sa round 6 mga tol, gumanda na ang mga palitan ng suntok kung saan sigawan ang mga British fans pag pumama ang kanilang pambato.
Work rate or accuracy.
You know, you don't allow Casimero to get into any comfort zone. Because you win more rounds than you lose, you win the fight. Casimero has loaded up with every single shot. Shooting every time so far.
He should keep his composure, stick to the tactics. No real panic now.
No, he looks like a young baby. But you look at it, showing a lot of toughness in there. Showing that he's fighting like a man. Which is what he needs in this fight. He gives you more confidence in the fight, you know, whether you win it or not.
Dito sa round 7 mga tol, napayakap na lang itong si Edwards upang matakasan ang mga solidong suntok na naipatama ni Cuadro Alas.
See it from Casimero, and Charlie Edwards has to hold on and cling, and has he got the experience and knowledge and know how to do it?
Palm facing the floor. But what happens? You'll catch the uppercut.
down from the Philippines. I wonder how they're seeing things. They might not be.
Sa round 8 mga tol, mas dumadami ang suntok na tinanggap ni Edwards, ngunit bumabato pa rin ito at lumalaban.
Can he take, sustain?
Couple of good rounds on the bounce, and his confidence has been raised. And then
Shut up, Casimero. Casimero is actually doing it to him now. Big right hand.
Another one. Oh, and he's just gripping down on that gum shield, John Edwards. And all the hours of training. This is real, and this is world championship.
Casimero is going to beat the willingness to win out of Chama. Or if he's going to try this difficult.
Tuloy pa rin ang pagbitaw ng jabs ni Edwards dito sa round 9 mga tol upang pigilan ang pag-atake ni Casimero. Ngunit humahanap pa rin ng paraan si Cuadro Alas paano tapusin ang laban.
his body shows that he's saying mid-rounds. And I'm sure they're expected to win the first few rounds or the first 5 rounds.
Breathing every moment of it. Following instructions to shut round.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round 10 mga tol na kung saan marami ding humahanga sa tibay at tapang nitong si Edwards habang tinatamaan ni Casimero.
Year or two.
I don't think he's not disgraced himself. He's shown up.
Especially at his weight class. You know, guys tend to and then when trying every round.
Well, then, Dave, you struggled when you were in that division.
When I boxed, he was about 26 pounds in weight.
Oh, beautiful shot. Walk into it. Straight into it. And he's hurt badly here, Charlie Edwards. He's going to do very well to recover. He's ripping it left. He's got a hold. Does he have the experience to hold? Can he recover from that? I don't think so. Steve Gray holds it. It is a...
Mula sa counter na kaliwa ni Casimero mga tol, bagsak si Edwards, nakatayo man ito ngunit halatang nasaktan.
And he's hurt badly.
They say don't look with the hunger. You know, the thing is, he's still on from that job. That shows what kind of kick this is. You know, he's had a rough few rounds. A lot of things to learn in experience, and he will come again.
Terrific character. Education may be a painful one. So he took that opportunity.
Dito na siya binanata ni Casimero at inawat na ng referee ang laban upang hindi na
Finish him!
Sa inyo namang palagay mga tol, may chance kayang mag-world champion ulit si Casimero? Pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.